Hello everyone. As you all know that we all depend on farmer for agriculture to meet our different requirements of food. So the life of farmer depends upon various natural factors such as wind, rainfall, drought, etc. Did you ever wonder about the different problems faced by the farmer?
Yeah, let me try to elaborate one such condition. While farming, the farmer uses different kinds of fertilizers which promote the growth of crops. In windy conditions, the farmer will find it's difficult to spray that particular fertilizer.
So, we are in a process of developing an advanced fertilizer sprinkler which would reduce his efforts in windy conditions.
What is the price point that you intend to sell your product at?
Typical fertilizer costs around 10,000 rupees. Keeping in mind about the existing product, we just made some modification to it and developed it. Now it will cost around 15,000 rupees.
What drives your decision to price it at this specific price point?
We have priced this product in keeping in view of different market strategies, manufacturing cost of various products, labor work involved, and adaptability to different conditions. Apart from these points, the price of this product is on par with the price of the existing product which is provided by different companies. So this would create a huge competition in the market and the farmer would have a larger domain of choices to select this product.
How did you arrive at your pricing?
Incorporating new parts like wind sensor, a groove, sleeve, integration of these parts with existing setup, installation of these parts. These are the main verticals which adds on to the cost of this product. We have gone through all these verticals and came up with a tentative net price. It is called 15,000. Who is your closest competition?
Yes, all the firms which produce the existing conventional product in the market are the competitors for us. But the firms which produce the product at a lower cost than us are the closest competitors to us.
How is your product different from existing solution?
Yeah, as I have already explained, we have made just some modifications in the existing product. These modifications mainly include groove, which pressurizes the fluid in accordance to the wind velocity, and the next one is stepper motor driver circuit. It drives the stepper motor according to the wind velocity.
Why do you think the differentiation would be valuable to the customer?
Customers always distinguish between the products which are available and analyzes them and then comes to a conclusion. Firstly, it tries to differentiate between the products based on cost and features. The price of our product is affordable by a farmer and this makes us to compete with the existing product in the market. According to me, differentiation among the different products helps the farmer to know various features present in the particular product. How would your customers know you exist?
Initially, it will take some time for a product to get popularized in the market. Whenever a new product is launched in the market, the customer, let's say his farmer, will always be curious to know the specification and compare it to the existing one. Our peculiar features will definitely attract farmers across the country within a limited span of time.
Where would you communicate your value add?
Customers keenly concentrate on the new features they get by choosing this product, which would add a great value goes to the product and takes it to the next level.
How much do you intend to spend on creating this awareness?
Initially, we have mainly focused on the farmers to try and explore our product to whatever extent possible. This would definitely create awareness among them.
Where would you approach to create awareness about your product?
We will be visiting different villages and we'll be communicating with farmers who are producing variety of crops, and we will demonstrate the product so that they may get a clear picture about the product, what it does. Apart from this, we would collaborate with parties like firms in the market interested in our product, and they may publicize it through the channels. How do you intend to get your product to its potential customers?
Potential customers for our product are mainly farmers. They may have to visit the nearby distributors for the details of the product. Once the farmer shows his interest to buy the product, then arrangements would be made to deliver at his address and it will be demonstrated by our guide.
What value does your distribution intermediary offer?
Distributor may use his own methods to publicize and sell the products. He acts as an intermediate between us and customers. He can judge the customer well and may suggest changes in the product if required. Feedback from the distributor is valuable to us.
What portion of your product price would be the distributor's commission?
For each unit sold, the distributor gets 10% of the commission. To attract different distributors, we will be setting up different perks depending upon the number of units sold in specified period of time. They will be paid extra, and this in turn would create competition in the market.